Hey guys, Chef Dave here. Today is going to be a three-part video series. Part 1 is going to be roasting a turkey breast. Part 2 is going to be butter glazed carrots, and part 3 is going to be Palm's puree or a fancy mashed potatoes. I'm going to be making the entire dish composed, but I'm going to show you it in 3 different videos so you really get the technique down and how to properly roast, how to properly make a mashed potato, and how to properly make a side that's going to wow your family and your guests. Let's get started. Okay, heat's going on my pot. I have it on low. I have my oven preheated to 375. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the garlic. A lot of people ask me about this. So, 1 clove of garlic. Put it down with the fat side up. Knife over it, give it a smash. When you give it a smash, all the paper comes right off. Look, just like that. Nice and easy, right? Discard the paper, okay? Gonna chop that. Now, roasting is not the easiest thing in the world because a lot of people don't know how to do it right. I'm gonna teach you the proper technique, and every single time you roast any kind of meat, it's gonna come out perfect, super juicy. Okay, so I have my garlic. I have some butter, room temperature, 3 tablespoons, okay? I'm gonna add my garlic to the butter. I have a lemon. Half the lemon, I'm going to juice it right into the butter. Okay. I have some salt into the butter. This is going to be the seasoning for the turkey. Some pepper, fresh ground. Okay, some thyme. I'm going to just take the leaves right off, right into the butter. It's really important that the butter is room temperature for this, because if it's not, you're not going to be able to mix it. Alright, get a pair of gloves. Okay, I like to wear gloves when I work with poultry, just so I don't cross-contaminate. Now I'm going to mix up my butter. It's nice and soft. Just mixing it up with my hands, because I'm just going to put it all over the turkey. Okay. I have my turkey breast. Okay, it's just a boneless breast. It has a little wing bone right here, but the breast doesn't have any bone, so that's all it has. Alright, I'm just going to rub this herb butter all over the turkey. I'm getting all the crevices by the skin. It's kind of melting while I'm rubbing. Make sure your turkey's dry. Alright, that's done. The gloves off, turkey inside. Alright, I'm going to rough chop an onion. Does not need to be pretty. In half, 3 slices. In half, 3 slices. I got a couple carrots. They don't even need to be peeled. Just rough chop them. And I have a celery stalk. Same thing. Rough chop. Okay, ready to go. Okay, in my saute pan, I'm going to do a tablespoon or so of olive oil. And I'm going to get my vegetables in. Pan's nice and hot. And I just want to get some color on those vegetables.
Now I want the pan super, super hot because I want to get as much color on the vegetables as possible. That's going to help me make my gravy later for the turkey. Okay, my vegetables have a nice brown color on them. I'm going to kind of move them to the middle of the pan because I'm going to rest my turkey right on top of the vegetables, and that's going to create a barrier between the turkey and the pan. All right, my turkey breast right on top. Okay, heat off. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven. All right, turkey's in. Push it to the center. And I'm going to cook that for about 45 minutes. Now, I'm going to let that go for 45 minutes, but then I'm going to check it. So if you have a meat thermometer, that's what you want to use to check the temperature of the meat and make sure it's done. I want the internal temperature to reach 165. So right where the bone is touching the breast, I'm going to check it there. And when it reaches 165, I know it's done. All right, time to take out my turkey. Look at that, right? All the vegetables are brown and caramelized on the bottom. Turkey's done. Let me check the temperature. Got a nice golden brown from the butter. I'm going to temp it. All right, 165 on the dot. Perfect. Now, I'm going to take this turkey out. Take those vegetables off of it from the bottom. I'm going to use those to make my gravy. Take a look. Okay, now I'm going to make my gravy. So I have my pot out that the turkey was cooking in. I'm going to put some heat on it, high heat. And I'm going to get my spatula. Now, I have some white wine ready, and I have some chicken stock ready. And I'm going to show you how to put this all together. So, my pot is hot. The vegetables are all caramelized. I'm going to bring that up to temperature. Okay, my pot is hot. My vegetables are sizzling away. So now I'm going to deglaze the pan with white wine. I'm going to let that white wine reduce, and I'm going to scrape the bottom and get all the yummy bits off the bottom, all that flavor. It's all stuck to the bottom. See how to change the color really quick? Wow, that looks great. So that's exactly what you want. The whole bottom of the pan's cleaned off. Now you have this wine with the vegetables. Okay, now I have some flour. The term's called Sange, but I'm just gonna basically take a small handful of flour and just shake it over the top. I want that to thicken up, not too much. See, immediately that gets thick. And now I have some chicken stock ready to go. I'm gonna pour that right in. Now I'm gonna let that reduce down by about a third. Alright, I'm going to show you how to finish the turkey. First, I'm going to pick up my board, and I'm going to dump the resting juices that are on the board from the turkey into the gravy that I'm making. Okay. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take this bone out.
Take the wishbone out. Alright. Another bone right here I'm going to take out too. Run your knife right along the bone. Come right out. I'm going to throw these bones right in with my gravy. And now I'm going to slice my turkey. Angle cut. Look at that. Wow. That is cooked perfectly. Look at this turkey. Cooked perfectly. See the juices, nothing's leaking out on the board? Exactly how I want it. Okay, my gravy is reduced. I'm going to finish it now. So I'm going to move this pot back, get a pan on the stove, heat on. I have my strainer. Here. There we go, now you see. Okay, I'm going to pour all this goodness through the strainer. With a spatula. Oh my god, it smells so good. Pour all that in. There we go. I'm going to push all those vegetables. See this? There we go. Push all these vegetables, the bones, the fresh thyme, everything that's in here. I'm pushing it all through. Okay. Now, this gravy is coming up. Medium heat. My bowl ready. I'm going to get my ladle ready. Okay. So that gravy is hot. Now I'm going to season it. Fresh cracked pepper. Some salt. And a pat of butter. I'm going to mount it with the butter. Now this is going to bring the gravy together and it's going to give it its sheen. Heat's off now. I'm just swirling the pan. That's all I'm doing. And the heat of the gravy is melting it. You see that shine? I mean, you can see the reflection of the light off the ceiling on this gravy. That's the sheen that I'm giving it from mounting it with the butter. Look at that. Look at that. You can see my reflection in it. Alright, I'm going to pour it in my bowl. Hey guys, Chef Dave here. Tune in to parts 2 and 3 to see the whole dish come together. Thanks.